Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there in a sentence, twist around just a little bit, and dramatically change the message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. There are so many great products out there, and there are just about as many bad products out there. There are a lot of great products with great copywriting, and those are the ones that you know of and you likely buy from. There are a lot of bad products with bad copywriting, and you'd never hear from them. There are good products with bad copywriting, and you never hear from them. There are very few bad products with good copywriting. It seems that good copywriting with a good product is a recipe for amazingness. A bad product with good copywriting, however, might get a little bit of a surge because of some sort of novelty, but it drops off so fast. I don't have real good specific examples of this because those bad products, they tend to fade from our memories really quickly. The good products with the good copywriting are usually big name brands. Apple does a great job with their short little quippy copywriting things. Such as when the iPod came out, their thing was, it showed a picture of the iPod, I think it was going into a pocket actually, and it said 10,000 songs in your pocket. Super simple, super catchy, super easy. They had a good product and they paired it up with good copywriting. A bad product with good copywriting would probably be, you remember those commercials where it was like head on, apply directly to the forehead, and it just repeated that over and over and over? It surged to popularity because it was actually good copywriting, even though it was just so basic. It was different, it was unique enough, but whatever happened to that product? I don't believe it actually worked the way it was supposed to, and therefore, even though it had great copy for a little bit, it just kind of died off. Leave me a comment if I'm totally off base here, because I have not seen that stuff around for years. So I don't know if it died off or maybe they just got bought out and shifted over to a different product. The point is, anytime you're looking at the service, which is a product that you sell or a physical product that you sell, is that product actually as valuable as you want it to be? If you have a junk product, it doesn't matter how great the copy is, eventually it will implode on itself. If you have a good product with really bad copy, it will implode on itself. You need to get that copy in place to back up the already good product so that you can have a winner. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope you found some inspiration and education you can apply to your own business. As usual, if you don't understand that good copy that goes with the good product, or maybe you have a bad product and you just want to try the good copy anyway, hit the links in the description below. Reach out. I'd be happy to help. I might have to tell you no if your product's really bad, though. Before you go, please like, comment, and subscribe. That way you get notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.